Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So, we have finished our trip in Portland, in Oregon coast, and heading to California. So, this is the last stop. And in the morning, I think we didn't have breakfast. So we came to this farmer's market. How did we find this farmer's market? So as we drove, we listened to some tour guide, YouTube tour guide, and there are a lot of travel bloggers, and it's very helpful. I'm very grateful for these people. Oh, look at this. Oh, cuckoo. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, so cute. There are actually quite some of these little baby dogs or big dogs that inside the cage. Maybe it's the farmers, they put it there when they do their business. So we learned about this place from a travel blogger, and they say Brookings Farmers Market is great, deserve to see, and they had some breakfast there. So we took the advice and went there. So here we are in Brookings, and this is bordering California, the last stop in Oregon. And it's a small town, and we arrived late. I did not remember we did very much of things. It's a pass-by. And the night before, we went to a restaurant, Catalyst, and we searched online, found that place. And today we came here to the farmer's market. So fairly to say, or to be honest, this is one of the smallest farmer's market. I think we have been to one even smaller, that is in a farm in Bretagne, in France, in Brittany. And that one in Bretagne, we visited family member, and one family member introduced that their friend is a farmer and do some sales. So it's a one-person business or one family business. So that was smaller than this. And today, the Brookings Farmers Market, is relatively small. Maybe because this is not yet the summer vacation time. And as small as it is, the charm, the heart feeling of it is oversized, overwhelming. And maybe I'm just coming back, but I start to feel there is a connection of people. It's just so beautiful, so beautiful. And people, there was one person selling their jams, $5 a bottle, $5 a bottle. Imagine, and it's 8-ounce bottle. And imagine if you have use a new prime bottle. The bottle is almost $2. So she's almost selling for nothing. Imagine the time to pick it up, to cook, and the sugar to use, the material to use. And she's so very kind. Is quite something. An old lady of of 60s or maybe 60 years old, white hair, golden hair, and becoming white. And she has such a charming, you feel this is a grandma, this is the kind person. And she is very elegant also. And she looks like a person that just doing these domestic things and enjoying and making everything in order I feel so connected with that person. And she is not promoting herself. She put a price tag there and just standing beside. You want to try something, you can try. You do not talk, I will not bother you. And people pass by very easy, very comfortable. And I feel that is the backbone of the people, of a nation, of a people, of any place, of any place. That's the backbone of humanity. So I was very touched. And then we move on to some other, there are some artisanal jewelry maker, there are beautiful bread maker, and fresh vegetables. And there was one gentleman sells a basket, and I was passing by, and he's non-stoppingly talking. It's a little bit different from the lady, the gem lady, who didn't say anything. She just kept on talking without you seeing. You want to talk or not. I feel that he is just trained, and he has the urge, he has the desire to sell something, and he knows it may work, and just promoting his things, introducing these can carry 70 pounds of weight. If you go to get some rocks from the mountain, you can carry this basket, and just you feel so touched. People are working hard. People love their job. People enjoy what they do, and that's the feeling I get from this farmers market. It's so very touching, and people are beautiful. And mostly people are relatively senior, actually, for some reason, or maybe the whole town is composed of a lot of senior person. So it's calm. There is a sense of cherish, of respect, and of relaxation, of taking care, not in a rush, and just very, very charming, very charming. And people are in the age of 60, 70. Everyone is in good shape. Everyone is in good shape. Not you know that, how do I say it, that people are working, taking care of their body, because the body is a resource, right? Taking care of the body and eating right food, natural food. And you come here, you get not processed things. Even something cooked, you can feel that it is handmade, homemade, just next door oven baked, or something like it. It's beautiful, beautiful. Oregon is impressive, and I see that that's the backbone of of humanity, of the people there. And when you see people living a life with relaxation, with attention, with good spirit, and not in a rush, and not too pushy, that's the place, that's the vibe in that place. And it's just so touching. And I feel I get the honest, hard-working energy. There is the vibe in the air. You just cannot not recognize it. It is there. It is touchable. It is feelable. It is obtainable. You can take it. You can melt yourself into that good spirit. Oh, love it, love it. And I know and I am sure that there are many farmers market like this, like Brookings in Portland, in Oregon, in California, in your state, in the country, in the world, anywhere. When you, hardworking, love life, that is making us happy, strong, and just right. I'm so happy. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.